We're really excited to introduce our all-new voice remote for VIZIO Voice. All 2021 VM and P-series TVs will ship with this remote. With voice controls now directly accessible from the remote, it has never been easier to quickly and easily find and watch movies and TV shows across multiple apps. It also makes it really easy to control your SmartCast TV. Let me show you how it works. SmartCast comes preloaded with a huge selection of apps. Today, SmartCast users launch apps from the Apps row on the home page. With the new voice remote, I can stop clicking around and just say the name of an app to launch it. Open Paramount Plus. I can even switch from app to app. Open YouTube. Open Pandora. Another great feature of VIZIO Voice is that it makes finding specific movies or TV shows really quick and simple. We've all been confused by trying to figure out which app features what content, and it's become more difficult as more and more movies and series are exclusive to specific apps. For example, if I'm looking for Sound of Metal and don't know which app streams it, I'm stuck either manually searching through each app or typing it in a text search. With voice, I can simply say the name of a show or movie and SmartCast immediately shows me where I can watch it. Sound of Metal. It's really great for finding classic movies too. SmartCast content details page shows where I can watch the movie. It even shows the price if I can rent or buy it. The Godfather. I can also jump directly to a movie in a chosen app if I know where I want to watch it. Play Modern Family on Peacock. When watching content, I can even control playback with my voice as well. Fast forward. Pause. Play. VIZIO Voice and SmartCast makes discovering content really easy. It's not just specific titles. I can find new and popular content easily with a single command. New movies. My favorite genres. Horror TV shows. Or film series or famous characters. Harry Potter. I can even search by actor or director. Clint Eastwood movies. Finding free movies has never been easier. Top-rated action movies. And I can use any combination of phrases to find exactly what I want to watch. Movies with Tom Hanks. Many VIZIO customers also love to flip through channels. VIZIO's own Watch Free Plus app on SmartCast actually offers more than 200 free linear channels. Programming includes TV shows, movies, news, sports, and more. It's great. And with the new voice support, it's a snap to tune or change a channel. I can name a channel streaming on Watch Free Plus to tune it directly. Tune to Western TV. Or say the over-the-air channel numbers if you do happen to use an antenna. If you prefer to use the remote to channel surf, simply use the up and down buttons on the direction pad while on the antenna input. You can also press the OK button to launch our new on-screen number pad to enter the channel numbers directly. The VIZIO Voice remote also makes it really simple to control my TV. I can even enable accessibility settings such as closed captions by saying, "Turn on closed captioning," or by pressing the CC button. It's all about making watching TV even simpler, quicker, and more convenient. And if you don't have the remote handy, VIZIO Voice is also available as a new feature through our SmartCast mobile app, which brings voice control to all existing SmartCast TVs as well. So that's a short overview of our VIZIO Voice remote. We're really excited about it and can't wait to get it into the hands of our customers.